Welcome everybody back to boostinmotion, guys, and today we're going to talk about how to install or even use your own DIY blower valve kit, eBay blower valve kit for your Q50 Q60. Guys, this is going to be an interesting video, so hit that intro. Welcome everybody back to boostinmotion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me just jump right into it. I've had plenty of people ask me, Boost, oh man, ask me, Boost, we want to have blow valves for our Q50, but we don't want to get the HKS ones because they're expensive, and I believe they make a tile one now at Concept Z, but we want to use the eBay blow valves, and we noticed that you have, guess what, eBay blow valves. So Boost, put us on, tell me what did you use and how did you get it done. So let me just talk about it. Now, the first thing that I'm going to link below, it's below in the bio, is you're going to need, the company is called Torque Solutions. They make a silicone coupling kit for the VR30, Q50, and Q60. Those little elbows you see right there at the bottom, those actually bolt up to the HKS blower valves and knockoff blower valves. So if you guys want to be able to use this kit, you can use it with the HKS blower valves. If you don't want to use the blower valves, you can just use regular blower valves that are 1 inch for the inlet. Okay, so in this video I'm also going to have eBay style couplings that you can use, which I have in the video, and the links will be below to that. But anyways, let's continue. 2 silicone couplings. There's a company called Torque Solutions. I'm gonna have the link below to their eBay account. I believe they may have an Amazon link. It's gonna come with the coupling itself. It's gonna come with the vacuum lines, and it should come with a T-fitting to the back. But the T-fitting I actually had ordered separately from Concept Z. I'll put the link below to that. But first thing, back there, you're gonna have to get a T-coupling and tap into the vacuum of the intake manifold. Hopefully I put up a picture or something of that here at this part. But then you're gonna take the vacuum lines and you're gonna start to run the lines. Sorry if it's a little loud on my end, you know, Brooklyn, New York. Then you're gonna have definitely your eBay blower valves. Now I'm gonna put a link below to those two. They're about, I think, $20 each. And there's gonna be also a link below to the Z1 Motorsports / Concept Z install kit. You just follow that same install instructions and you can do them on your own. So let me give you guys a sound clip. Now to install these blower valves, or to take them out, you're gonna have to get a different type of clamp, worm clamps here, either with flathead or 8 to 10 millimeter screw to the top to tighten and loosen it, and also of course the different vacuum lines and little links and couplings right here and everything like that. But anyways, I'm gonna see if I can remove this real quickly and see if I can get it to fit. All right guys, now I got the spout out. Now I'm gonna try to get this thing in there. It is not much room because there is a that is the PCV valve that goes to the driver's side turbo that's in the way, so I just had to nudge that a little bit. That's why on the HKS kit it has like a little angle up thing, or if you do get the Torque Solutions kit, it has that same little elbow that kind of cocks up and kind of moves it more in this area or whatever. But anyways, let me see if I can get this in, and then hopefully if it fits in nice, you'll be able to do it on the other side, which looks like it should be a little bit easier because I do have this brace in the way. But yeah, all right, let's see what happens next. All right guys, so I have the passenger side in, relatively easy. I just had to move the fuel line a little bit out the way, but yep, now I'm gonna finish off that side over there. I want you guys to see the different size. See the different size? This one's the cheaper eBay one. This is the little bit more expensive one. And yep, it's a lot harder. I'm gonna have to flip the silicone because I actually put it in the wrong side. I need the opening to be more to the top. But yep, I'm almost finished here. It's just that the engine's a little hot, so I couldn't do too much. But this side is installed already. It's doing good. Guys, you can take a look at it. This is how the line runs. And just gotta get the tools to flip this silicone real quick. And we'll have it inside and we could do some sound clips. All right, guys, so I finally got this one in. Wasn't too hard for me to do it. And I have this one in. So there's not really too much room in here. Like, it's not too tight. Same thing with here. It's really not bumping into anything other than the fuel line. But the fuel line is pretty much rubberized, so it really shouldn't be any issue. I could put some soft felt material under there too, just to make sure it doesn't rub on that metal or anything like that. I'll do that, maybe put a rag or just some kind of material just to have between there. But yep, so guys, let me do a quick startup. Alright guys, so that's it. That is it. The eBay blow valves are in the second choice, but you guys could choose between the two ones that I've listed. These are the ones I've tried. I may link some other ones that also can fit, and you guys can give those a shot too if you really want. But just to quickly sum it up, the smaller ones were about $20 each. You can either get the couplings that I used off of eBay. I think the couplings were like $10 to $20 each. You can buy the vacuum lines separately, or you can buy the Torque Solutions kit, which is like $150, and then you can purchase those blow valves, or the $31 ones, the larger ones that I have, which makes just more of a loud whooshing sound. Or because the Torque Solutions kit come with the coupling, so it can actually aim the HKS blow valves up. You can do that, and it's really up to you guys. But otherwise than that, guys, if you enjoyed this video and you want to support me and support the channel, you can definitely hit the like, subscribe, bell notification. Also on top of that, I have a Teespring account below. You can contact me at BoostinMotion IG, BoostinMotion on Facebook, and BoostinMotion on gmail.com. Otherwise than that, guys, someone said that this Q50's eBay built. Blow valves, yes. I saved what? Maybe $400 or $500. So otherwise than that, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you guys, appreciate it. You have a good day. Thank you everybody for watching. Do appreciate you guys, love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also on top of that, if you want to purchase some BoostinMotion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.